Fiamma. Good morning, folks. Welcome back to Budgie's Bus. My name's John.
I'm Carol.
Well, when most of you who was at the Stratford-upon-Avon Overlander show will know that my Fiamma awning legs broke. On the Thursday, my left leg broke. On the Saturday, my right leg went. It's the Fiamma F45L. These are the pieces that snapped. They're not, there's only a little bit of plastic holding it on. As you can see, both of them went. I've actually got the parts now for, both legs, so we'll be putting them on this morning. I'll only show you me putting the one leg on. It's exactly the same principle for both. It's dead simple job. I hope this video will help other people who have the same problem. The parts are stupid prices. For a little bit of plastic, you're looking at £22 a piece. So come along with us and I'll change the leg and you can hopefully get a bit of education on how to do it yourself. So be back in a moment while we're outside. It's not a very good day, it's a bit windy, but hopefully we should be able to get it done. So catch you in a moment. Okay folks, as you can see, it's only this one bolt that you have to take out and the whole thing should slide that way. So no worries, I'll see if I can do it one-handed. Okay, can you pass me the drill, Carol?
I don't think I'll be able to just keep it in the right place.
Whoops, wrong way. Take the drill. Oh yes, Tammy. Can you take the nut? So there you go. Take the nut off. Take the plate out, Carol, and the whole thing. There you go. It just slides out like that. So what I need to do now is get the other piece, get that into place, and we'll go from there. What you need to do before you put it on is make sure the leg piece is in right. There you go. So it slides back and forth. So now we need the bolt and plate.
Wait a minute, that's it, yeah.
That goes together like that. Plate goes on. Where'd I put the little nut? Let's get the nuts. So it's started. Okay, can you come down? Okay. What you need to do now, this is a bit fiddly, you've got to get that in there like so. There we go. And that is it basically, folks. Okay, Carol, can you jump down and get me the drill? So make sure you don't over tighten it though. Hold that for a second please. Make sure the plate, okay, yep. Needs a little bit more tightening. There you go folks. That's the I might have to put something in there to lube that a bit, but as long as that goes in and out, it's just a matter now of putting the leg on. This leg must have broke at some time before, because instead of having the plastic pinning, Can you just hold that there for a minute, Carol? Yeah, for some reason there's a bolt in this one, so it looks like it might have broke at some time before on the actual pivot. So there's a nut in this one. So let me put this up. Can you hold? Okay, folks. Ooh, this wind, it's definitely picking up the windies. As you can see, I've just got to tighten that nut up and that's it done. Okay, babe. That's it, folks. That's it done. That's how easy it is just to repair the legs. It slides in. There you go. Nice simple job. Very easy to do.
Well, it would be if it were an awkward to film.
It's easier to do than actually show you on the actually holding the camera at the same time. But that's it. The right leg is exactly the same as the left leg. So catch you inside in a minute, get out this wind. And there you go, folks. 5-minute job, 10 minutes to do the two. We had a bit of the wind today, so it was a bit awkward. But thanks for being with us. Like I said, they are only plastic. They will go sooner or later. It's a shame. The older awning, the Omnister one, these were made out of cast metal. It was either aluminium or just a white metal. So yeah, if they're going to go, they're going to go. Unfortunately, both went at the same, well, within a couple of days. So hope
That gaffer tape did.
as Carol says, duct tape comes in marvellous. We had the awning out all weekend and it was only held together with duct tape. So yeah, duct tape works. Carry duct tape. You never know when you're going to need it. So yeah, thanks for being with us. I hope this will encourage you to try and fix your own awning if this happens. Nothing else for us to say except take care, stay safe and happy travelling. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.
Don't forget to subscribe, press the notification button and leave a comment. Thank you.
There you go. Catch you later. Bye for now.